Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can put Instagram stories of your YouTube video. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your Google browser and then search for Facebook Creator Studio, and then click on the first link. After that, just give them your Instagram account credentials and you'll be logged into this page by Meta Business Suite, where now you can see many options on the screen like create post, create reels and create story. Click on create story. Here, after you have done so, you will take on to a different page where now you can input any YouTube videos of your choice that you have downloaded or you want to input on your Instagram story. Here, just click on add to photo/video. And after that, you can choose any photo or video of your choice that you want on your Instagram story. And that's how you can put your YouTube video on your Instagram story. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any queries about how you can put the link in the Instagram story, you can just comment down and I'll be here with another video to show you guys on how you can do so as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till then, goodbye.